Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix camera app not working issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So fix this issue. Do not waste any time. First of all, you have restart camera app. So how to restart the camera app? So you have, this is the first method to fix a glitch in any app installed on your iPhone. Sweep up the camera app in the app switcher to close it and the restart it to see if the camera works properly. So for example, you have used the camera app, so then you have uh, swipe up to camera, then you have removed from here, so you have restart, so this problem will be fixed. So then other solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 5 to 10 seconds wait and then your problem will be fixed. iPhone is restart. So then other solution, you have reset all setting on iPhone. So then you have open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click on reset, then you have click on reset all setting iPhone, given a passcode, and then you have ensured, then you have enter a passcode of your mobile phone, and then your problem will be fixed, and then some seconds wait and then mobile reset all setting. Do not lose any data from this function, only reset all settings. Then other solution, you have wait for next iOS 17 update. So you have iOS 17 latest version on your iPhone is installed, must be, then you have open the setting again, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone though, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then another solution, you have close the when camera app is not working, then you have close the camera app while not using. So some seconds you have while using the camera app, then you have some seconds from close, and then you have delete from here, and then you have 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then you have start the camera app, so some seconds wait and then your problem will be fixed. And last solution, you have make sure iPhone is not overheating, so then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.